Welcome to episode 5. It's an absolutely gorgeous day here in coastal North Carolina. In this episode, we hit up an indoor sale at a hotel in Carolina Beach, and you'll never believe what my wife found at a thrift store for just $2. I can't wait to show you guys, but first, let's do some updates. For those of you that watched our previous episodes, you know that we had a major life event. Our son was born last Friday. He weighed 8 pounds, 12 ounces. His name is Elliot. Elliot and his mother are doing very well. Elliot has already actually been to a yard sale. We're teaching him early. Okay, let's do an update on episode 4. We've sold 33 items from episode 4 for a total of $1,737. We got everything in that episode for $725. So we've cleared $1,000 profit on that episode already. Finding money. That's the name of the game. Finding money. We also picked the winner of the Honora Sterling Silver Pearl Necklace giveaway. Congratulations, Twyla. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. We have more great giveaways planned, but for now, let's get into the episode and show you what we got.
So this yard sale is in a hotel conference room. So let's go see what this is all about. Hey, good morning. Is there a yard sale going on here?
It's up there in that building. Just go into that green awning.
Go into the green awning. Oh, good morning. Yeah. No, I'm late to the party. Here are the items that I picked up from that yard sale at the hotel. It was a lot of 90s toys that I picked up. I didn't really comp them out while I was there or really after, so we'll have to do some research on how much these are worth. But they're in the original boxes and it looks like they have a lot of the accessories. So this one is a Barbie movie theater from the 90s. Looks like they did a great job of putting all the pieces together. I did see some comps from like $50 to $80 for this. And I paid $40 for everything. Bride surprise. Make her hair grow all the way to her toes. This is also from the 90s. She's got all of her accessories in there. Princess Wishing Star, 1994. She's got a little brush. Twist and Style Tiffany doll from 94. Looks like she's got all of her little hair bows and accessories as well. Fluffy My Come Here puppy. He's got his bone and brush, manual. These are a couple things I picked up for my daughter. Books. Those are also for my daughter. This was like a murder mystery game. It's never been open. I looked up comps real quick. It was about $20. Paid $2. Picked up this Dora the Explorer backpack, and it was filled with books and figures. And these are from the early 2000s. I don't know much about how much they're worth, but I'm thinking about, they go like $5 to $20 for the figures each. Grabbed a couple Wizard of Oz figurines from the 80s. I think these are about $15 a piece. 101 Dalmatians dog. A Barbie Magic Color Change party set. And again, I didn't really look up too many comps while I was there. I think I just was having some 90s nostalgia, and the things were in their original boxes. They had the accessories. Sometimes you can sell, you know, missing parts, or part it out and sell the different accessories for more than the entire thing. It's a replacement thermos, Disney's Beauty and the Beast from the 90s. And then I grabbed this green M&M's hat because I know they were changing her look. It is a child's hat. So all these fun 90s toys for $40, and grabbed my daughter some books.
And now, what we've all been waiting for, the $2 mystery thrift store find. But before I open it up and show you what it is, I'm gonna give you a little background on it and why it's always good to stop in if you got a little extra time and you're near a thrift store. My wife was on the way to get a prenatal massage a couple days before my son was born. She was running a little bit early. There was a thrift store nearby, so she popped in and she found these. Drum roll, please. Beautiful Versace by Rosenthal Medusa Lumiere blue crystal wine goblets. You can see the Medusa. You can see where it says Versace. We got a pair of these. We looked up the comps. They're selling for around $150 each. She paid $2 a piece for them. We saw someone trying to sell a set of 4 for $1,500. They had 11 watchers. We're not going to go that high. I think we're going to go for around $150 each, so just a little over $300 for the pair. But it just proves why it's always worth it. If you got a little extra time, pop in. You never know what you're going to find. It's the name of the game, finding money. Name of the game. As always, visit our store at coastalresaletherapy.com. The link will be posted in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.